Did you know there's a frog that can freeze solid and still survive? The wood frog, found in North America, can survive winter by freezing up to 70% of its body water. Its heart stops, it stops breathing, even its blood turns to ice. But when spring comes, it thaws out, wakes up, and hops away like nothing happened. Scientists say it uses a natural antifreeze. Glucose floods its organs to protect them from ice damage. Another reminder that nature is full of superpowers, even from a small frog in the forest.